How to block adult websites in Chrome. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so. So you can just go and follow these methods out. So we can use a Chrome extensions for that. You can open up Google Chrome on your device first. And once we open up, we can go to Chrome Web Store. So we'll type in Chrome Web Store and open it up. And once we access our Chrome Web Store, what we can do is we can search for this extension such as block site and find it up and add those extensions. You can look out for add to Chrome here and enable that option right here and add it to Chrome like this. And there just go over and look out for this option called block this site, and you can block that site directly. You should be finding the blocked items here. You can look out for add to block list as well and go ahead and type in your website category, keyword, etc., especially the adult ones, and go ahead and block it and do so. If you want to remove it, you can look out for the delete option, and once again go ahead and remove it from the same extension available. And you can use Google SafeSearch as well. Sometimes you can go to google.com and look out for your profile in the top and go to the option for SafeSearch here and click on it. After that, you can click on this option called filter or blur. And when you click on filter, it will help filter out the explicit images, text, and lines. Similarly, if you select the option for blur, it will help blur explicit images, but explicit text and links may still show. So you can just go and follow out this method. And that's it. Usually those are methods you can follow up if you'd like to block adult websites on Chrome. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.